Hello everyone, I'm back with the haul video because I personally love haul videos, and so that's why I am there are not very many items. I ordered some things from Shein and Nykaa, so I just wanted to share it with you all. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see what all I got. So let's keep watching. I will do the clothing bit because that always takes up so much of time. So from Myntra, I'll start with Myntra. I've got just one thing from Myntra. I got this t-shirt from Myntra. It was on sale, and this is Dorothy Perkins. I ordered some pajamas. So this one is a beautiful floral full sleeves pajama, so pretty, and the material costed me around 739. It was down from 957 around. So the next one that I got for myself is a cactus printed one. I think this one is a half sleeve one, and it came with a sleeping mask. So cute. And yeah, this one is so nice. It's so cute, and the material is so soft, you guys, I can't tell you. So these are a full length. This is the pajama. Yeah, so that was that one. And another thing I got from my sister, so it's this night dress. I'll just show you. And this was around 403 rupees from 590. This is another very cute one. It's baby pink in color, and it's so cute. It's saying love you. It says love you to the moon and back. So cute this dress is. So it's this one. It's just a short night dress. So these were the clothing items, guys. So I'll just move on to a few stuff which I got from Nykaa, and I really like to share them with you because I've been actually I've opened them and I've used it. So I think I got 3 stuff from Nykaa, so I wanted to share it. Oops, sorry. I also got these headbands from Shein. Yeah, these ones. So nice. It's super cute, and it's nice. It's so nice. I like them. So these were around 236 for both. Three stuff from Nykaa. The first thing I just wanted to share is this mascara. I've already opened it. It's the Flower Beauty. Just let me show it to you guys. It's the Flower Beauty Warrior Lash Mascara. There was a discount going on Nykaa, and whenever there is a discount, I just grab a few stuff. So this was 8. This costed me around 743, down from 825. So, and oh my god, guys, this mascara is the only thing that I am using right now. I mean, I don't go out often now because of the lockdown, but then this mascara is so good. It's like it makes your lashes feel like they're on steroids, and I just love them. These are just a must. So if you get the chance, just I highly recommend this. I highly recommend this. So another thing which is related to makeup. Yes, so another thing which is related to makeup is, so this is the other product. This is also from Flower Beauty, guys. This is the Flower Beauty lipstick in the shade Spice Petal, and it's such a lovely shade, you guys. It's a nude shade. See, it's such a pinky nude. It's a cream sheen, It's not matte, but it's such a lovely shade. I highly recommend that you pick this up if you get the chance. It's now available on Nykaa. Earlier it was not. Earlier Nykaa was not selling this lipstick. It was only in stores. But I highly recommend this nude shade if you love nude. So the next thing is in skincare. I am a huge skincare buff and I try and use a lot of skincare. So the next thing that I got is the Klairs freshly juiced, oh, it's reflecting, the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drop in vitamin C. I've opened it. This was around $5.95. I got a 5% discount. It came, I bought this around $14.90. So it is just been 2 days. It has just been 2 days since I have been using this. So I'll definitely my own money. So thank you guys if you have come to the thank you guys for watching, and so I'll see